Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to see unsent photos on Messenger. Let's get started. First, make sure you have the latest version of the Messenger app installed on your device. This ensures that all features and settings are up to date. Next, open the Messenger app. If someone sends you a photo and then unsends it, normally you won't be able to see it again. But there's a way to prevent that from happening in the future. Go to the menu by tapping the bottom right corner, then tap on Settings, which is located right under your profile name. Scroll down and tap on Photos and Media. Here, look for an option that says Save Photos or Save to Gallery, and make sure it's turned on. Once this setting is enabled, any photo someone sends you in Messenger will be automatically saved to your phone's gallery. So even if they unsend the photo later, you'll still have a copy saved. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.